What do you want?
That's how you talk to people?
What? Yeah, I don't care how I talk to you.
Really?
What are you doing?
I don't.
You care if that paycheck comes though, right?
Yeah. Back away.
You getting in?
Back away. Yes, I'm getting in. Back away.
This video comes from the channel Good Guy Activism. He was standing on a public sidewalk, filming a parked police vehicle, and holding a non-alcoholic drink. Despite this being completely lawful, New York Police Department officers approached and detained him, turning a legal activity into an unnecessary confrontation.
Say excuse me. Say excuse me.
In public.
It's not your business
Back
what I'm
away.
drinking. No, I'm okay. I'm on the sidewalk.
Not even supposed to be drinking.
Dude,
You stealing my property? That's theft.
let it go.
Oh, now
Let it
you're
go.
saying why?
Let it go.
Why?
Let it go. Let it go.
You have no business to know what I'm
You're
drinking.
drinking
Drinking
in
what?
public.
Everybody drinks in public. Everybody
No,
eats in public.
No, you're not supposed to.
I can't drink water in public?
That's not water. That's a beer.
You don't know how to investigate? Get
Okay,
off of
do me a
me.
favor. Let it go.
It's
Let
1,
it go.
2, 3.
Let it
Why?
go. Let it go.
Why?
Let it
It's
go.
not a crime.
Let it go.
It is.
It's a crime to drink juice in public?
Violation. Yes, it is.
It's a violation. Violations
Yeah,
aren't
it is.
crimes.
That could give you
First
a
of
violation.
all,
Violation.
for what crime? What violation?
You're drinking in public.
Drinking what?
Let it go.
Beer.
A beer? I don't drink beer. You're offending me.
Let it go.
No, you're not.
No, you're trying to steal my property.
Yo. All right. Now.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Give me a fucking cards now.
You want a car?
What that said? Non-alcoholic, right? And then you threw it away? F***ing dumbass.
Excuse me?
I could drink in public all day.
No, you can't.
It says non-alcoholic.
Put it away.
F***ing asshole. I hope you got that on your body cam.
Yeah, I did.
F***ing rude from the get-go. You don't know how to f***ing read? You don't know how to investigate?
Yeah, well,
You don't know how to investigate? F***ing investigate. I don't have to help you with your investigation.
Yeah, well, we telling you to release it, right?
I don't have to. You can't just come up to people and steal their f***ing property.
Yeah,
You know what the f***ing amendment is?
Okay.
You f***ing asshole.
Yeah.
You know what the f***ing amendment is?
Yeah.
The right to be secure in my papers, documents, and effects.
Okay.
You know what that is?
Yep.
You think you could just go in my pockets?
We ain't going.
Fourth Amendment, right?
Go in your pocket.
You took something out of my hands.
Camera's on.
Where's my property that you took from me? Where's my property that you took from me? Oh, I don't give a f***. I was recording from the beginning. Give me your f***ing cards. That's the law. You ain't enforce no law, but I'm enforcing the law. Give me your f***ing cards. You protecting a parked car from a camera? You think you got that big gun? You think you big? 5'1". You wanna do shit without that badge? Your whole life, everything you have in your life comes from us. Our money. So treat us with respect. So treat us with respect. You don't have shit if it wasn't for the citizens.
Here's my car.
I need all of y'all cards. None of y'all motherfuckers de-escalated. None of y'all was professional.
Do you have your ID too?
For what crime? Out of here, Olivares. Go solve real crime. Counterterrorism.
That's
With somebody drinking the juice in public.
That's not a juice.
You're a fucking hero. You're a hero. You're a fucking hero.
NYPD.
Yeah, fucking hero. I don't need 2 cards. Biggest gang, ganging up with somebody for drinking juice in public.
There you go.
And I need that bitch's card too.
No, it's not a bitch. It's an officer.
To me. You know what the First Amendment is? The right to redress my government, freedom of speech. Y'all just violated my fucking rights.
not.
You can't understand why I'm
We
upset?
ask you to get
Ask me
over.
to what? Move from the sidewalk?
No.
I'm on a fucking traditional public forum where my rights are strongest. The sidewalk. Why you not protecting my rights? I need your card. Don't break the law. Why you not protecting my rights to film in public? Why y'all not protecting my rights to take pictures in public? Did you swear an oath to protect people's rights?
I did.
To fight for the Constitution? Aren't you
Went 20
American?
years ago.
Aren't you American?
Yes, I am.
So why the f you just violated my rights? Where's my juice that you stole from my hand?
Right there.
Why is it not back in my hand where you took it from?
You didn't comply. You didn't want to.
I don't have to comply with shit. I'm not committing a crime.
You did. You were on top of
What
our
crime am I
car.
committing? I'm on a sidewalk.
On top
It's
of
a
our
crime to
car.
stay next to a car? What crime is it?
You were
To
looking
stay
at
next to a
our
car.
car.
I could look anywhere.
Here.
You know what the Plainview Doctrine is?
You got the car? You need anything else?
No apologies, no de-escalation. This bitch talking about, yeah, I'm happy you get the check. Yeah, so you can treat us like shit. You take our money to treat us like this?
So you're
It's not even a crime. If I was drinking beer, it's a f***ing violation.
It
And
is.
you're ganging up on me over a f***ing violation. And you're counterterrorism. Don't you got bigger fish to fry? Excuse me. Don't you have bigger fish to fry?
At least you have manners.
I do. Don't you have bigger fish to
What's
fry?
your name?
I'm good guy activism.
Good guy actor.
Yup, look me up.
I
Look
will.
me up.
I will.
Y'all going worldwide. You're going worldwide. Worldwide. looking stupid.
You done?
Are you done?
I am.
You work for me. I don't work for you. You can go back to work. So who you work
You
for?
work for the NYPD.
You work for the corporation.
I work
You're
for
right.
Not a corporation.
That is a corporation. Do your homework. You feed the machine. You arrest your own people. You just harass your own people over nothing. No crime, no violation, no nothing. You made contact with me. I didn't come up to you. You came up to me. I'm recording a parked car. You came up to me and made contact with me.
Anything else?
Yeah, go 1098. You're dismissed. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. I do this for a living. I allow tyrants to expose themselves. I just point a camera. Mind my business, take pictures in public. Yeah, I was hoping 4 officers would come and protect my rights. Hey, how you doing, sir? You need anything? I see you taking pictures in public. There's nothing wrong with that. We're getting in the car. You mind taking? We're getting in the car. You mind taking a step? I asked her, so you getting in the car? She's like, yeah. So I took a step back.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
You did not.
Yes, I did. I said, are you getting in the
All
car?
right.
I said, yes. Say excuse me, and I backed up.
You won the case. You can go.
Whatever.
go right out.
Thanks for the lawsuit. I appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
You don't care because it don't come out of your pocket until we sue you personally. You don't have qualified immunity. New York NYPD don't have. No, you don't. No, you don't. NYPD been lost qualified immunity.
Report on body camera.
You. Put your seatbelt on. It's the law. Dumb bitch. And you a sergeant? You're a fucking sergeant? That's sad. That's sad. You're sad. I hope you don't go home and tell your family that you're a hero.
Based on a subjective assumption, New York Police Department officers escalated the encounter by seizing property and demanding compliance without establishing any violation. Once the drink was confirmed to be non-alcoholic, the so-called suspicion collapsed, yet the attempt to exert control continued. Invoking the First and Fourth Amendments was not emotional argument, but a necessary step to reassert constitutional boundaries that the officers had crossed. If you support good guy activism, leave a 5 in the comments.
How you doing today?
I'm sorry, I don't answer questions.
All right. Just be a second. You got some identification on you?
I don't answer questions.
Okay.
Am I being detained?
You are right now. Temporary.
For, what am I being detained for?
Well, this is a checkpoint set up by the, we have authorization through Congress to have this checkpoint.
Are you aware that it is illegal in the United States to detain people without cause?
Go ahead and pull up over there for me.
Am I being detained?
Yes.
For what am I being detained for?
Are you willing to answer my questions?
I don't answer questions.
All right. Well, in order to not hold up traffic, I'd like you to pull up over there until we can get this resolved.
So am I being detained?
Yes. Are you a United States citizen?
I don't answer questions.
So you're not willing to say whether you're a United States citizen or not?
I don't answer questions.
All right. Just be a second. Just stay right there. Ma'am, are you unwilling to move your vehicle so that these people can get by?
Am I being detained?
I've already answered that. Yes, you are.
What am I being detained for?
This is an immigration checkpoint.
But are you aware that it's illegal to stop people without cause? What is the cause of me being detained?
You
You
need to verify your
suspect?
citizenship.
You suspect that I broke the law for some reason?
Well, I need to know whether you're a United States citizen or not. If you're here in this country legally or not.
But people don't
Are you
need to
born
answer
here?
in
Were
a
you
free
born
country.
in the United States?
I don't answer questions. In a free country like the United States, one need not carry papers to prove anything.
All right. You don't need to have papers. You just need to answer my question.
I don't answer questions.
Were you born in the United States?
I don't
Are you a
answer
United
questions.
States citizen?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Well, you're being detained on your own recognizance.
Well, I would like to go forward. I would like to leave now.
You could pull up over there and let these other people by.
So am I being detained?
I've already answered that, yes.
Are you asking me to pull over? I'm not sure what your point is.
I'm asking you to pull up over there until we can get this resolved, so that this other people behind you can move forward. Because they are willing to answer my question.
So, well, they don't understand the law. I'm sorry for that.
And Mario. Just stand by.
Okay.
My supervisor's going to come out and you talk to him. Would you like to know the statute that it's listed under?
Well, I know the law. The law says that if I'm being detained, you have to have a cause for that.
Yeah, but would you like to know what statute authorizes this checkpoint?
Well, that statute that you're referring to negates the Constitution, and the Constitution says that you cannot detain a person without cause.
Well, that's
Does
the
that make
authority we're
sense?
working under, is that statute.
I'm
INA
sorry.
287A3. All right?
It definitely conflicts with the Constitution. You can see
Okay.
that.
Why would you take it up with agents working at a checkpoint right now? Why wouldn't you take it up with your congressman?
Again, I don't
Have
answer
you
questions.
taken it up with your congressman?
I don't answer questions. I'm
All
sorry.
right. Well, that'd be the route that I would go. If you want to get something resolved, this isn't the way. You know, you take it up.
I hear what you're
proper-
saying, and people have done that, and I have certainly done
Because
that.
right now you're inflicting on their rights by not letting them by.
It is a serious problem, and that's why I'm doing
But
this.
right now you're the one that's
I'm sorry.
you're causing these people problems. See,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm prepared
Are
to
you- I don't
speak
think-
with your supervisor. That would be fine.
all right. Well, he's coming.
Okay.
If you want to speak to him, that's fine. He's coming, but it'd be awful nice of you to let these people go by.
Well, if I'm not being detained for cause, I'm happy to proceed on.
You're still being detained.
Well, then that's not my call.
All right.
That's
well,
not my call.
We can just all you have to do is pull up over there and let these
I
people
know,
by.
it's so easy to just let things go as they are when it's wrong. And I'm sorry.
You're not letting it go. You wouldn't be leaving or anything. You'd just be letting these people who are willing to answer the questions continue. So you're the one that is impeding traffic at this point. You understand?
Well, I'm happy to proceed on. I'm happy to go forward and just proceed on about my way. If you think that I'm breaking the law for some reason, then I'm happy to be detained.
You can resolve this real fast.
Well, you can too.
No, because I have a job to do.
I do too. I'm a citizen. I do too.
You just said you're a citizen.
I don't answer questions.
All right, well, stand by.
Hey, you look familiar. Do I know you?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions.
I don't.
Do you happen to know where you're at?
I don't answer questions.
Don't answer questions. Why don't you answer questions?
That would be a question. I don't answer questions.
I see. Well, you're going to be filmed for our purposes as well. What you're doing is you're holding up a bunch of traffic right now.
I'm happy to move forward. If I'm being detained for cause, I'm happy to have you search whatever you need to do.
Well,
if you're detaining me without cause, that would be against the law.
Well, actually, no, ma'am, it's not. Not under 287A5A of the Immigration and Nationality Act.
Under the Constitution of the United States, I can only be detained
This is
for
a law.
cause.
This is a law that is based on the constitutional privileges that you have.
It is clearly a violation of my rights. It's clearly a
It's not a
violation.
violation of your rights, ma'am.
It surely is.
It's not. If you could do me a favor, we can discuss this further over in secondary.
I'm happy to move forward.
Well, that is forward. That's
No,
forward into the
I'm
site.
happy to go on about my way.
Well, I can call Department of Public Safety also and have them move you out of the way because you are actually impeding traffic. The weather, ma'am, what you're doing right now with weather, the impending
But I'm
weather
happy
and the
to move
rain-
forward.
and
If
I'm
I'm
saying
not
that you
being
can
detained, I'm
move
ready to
forward.
move forward.
You can move forward.
But you're
into
detaining
secondary
me for what cause?
because you need to answer whether or not you're a United States citizen.
I
My
do not
engineers-
have to. I do not have to answer questions.
Where are you from?
You're asking a question. I don't have to
Where did
answer questions.
registration come back on this?
Never ran it yet. Registration windows is what
Ma'am, due to the current weather conditions and the impending rain, we're about to flush the checkpoint. You are creating a safety hazard here. It would be advisable for you to move on down the highway at a safe speed and a safe pace so that you don't create any more instances of what you're doing right here. You're putting a lot of people in jeopardy right now with what is happening here.
So am I being detained?
Not anymore, ma'am. I am satisfied that you're a United States citizen based on my communications with you. Please have a safe day.
Thank you, Mr. Smith.
Yes, ma'am.
This situation exposes how the checkpoint relied more on psychological pressure than on legal authority. Officers repeatedly labeled her actions as traffic obstruction and unsafe, yet failed to identify any specific legal authority to support those claims. Her firm refusal to answer questions exposed the contradictions in their reasoning and ultimately forced supervisory intervention. When authority is not clearly established, refusing to cooperate is entirely justified.
How can I help you today?
Yes, I'd like to put in some public records requests.
Sure.
What is your name, sir, first of all?
Desk Officer Meisner.
Okay.
This video comes from the channel Cammed Up Caveman. He went to a police department simply to submit a public records request. There was no allegation and no criminal investigation. However, what should have been a routine administrative process quickly turned into an unnecessary resistance, as officers repeatedly demanded ID and treated a lawful request for public records as a problem.
Okay,
NEISSNER. I'll give you one of my cards.
Okay, do you have a badge number also, or no?
Well, technically, none of us have badge numbers, but we
ID
have
number,
an ID, like an employee number.
Same difference,
so
right?
I'll write that on the card too. It's 3779.
Okay, thank you.
I can give you the request form for the records request.
I'd like to just give it to you because I'm kind of a little hard of hearing and I can't see that good, so I'd like for you to write it down, please.
Okay, but just hear me out. Okay, what I'm saying is you can request records here, but you cannot get them here like while you wait. The request form is going to be sent over to our records office. They will then send the records to you, whatever method you choose. So it can take a few days. If you're in a rush, and this is completely up to you, but if you're in a rush, you may want to go there in person, and this way they can do it while you wait. But that would mean you'd have to go to Land O'Lakes.
Okay, I know the process. I live closer to here. That's why I came here.
Okay, let me grab the request form,
Okay, thank you.
Okay, here you go.
All right.
I just need your ID quick.
What do you need my ID for?
Oh, it's a requirement for the records request?
No, it's not.
Because, okay, listen, sorry, I'm trying to help you, okay? Hear me out.
That's how y'all do. You try to help people and you end up putting them in jail. I know the process and I know that I'm not required to give my name, address, phone number, or anything like that. I can give you my email address. Right. I'll do that. You can send it to my email address.
Okay, but here's the problem with that. You're right. But here's the problem with that. Because of Marcy's law, okay, there are a number of instances where reports cannot be released to the public, only certain parties. So if you refuse to give your ID, then they're not going to know if you're one of those parties that is eligible to receive that report. And what will happen is you'll just get a redacted report. Everything will be blacked out. If that's what you want to do, that's fine. But that's why we ask for the ID.
Are you done? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yesterday, a police officer, a sheriff, said his name was Travis Gondek, G-O-N-D-E-K, badge number 1814, was trespassing on my land, and I'd like to know what his call was yesterday. What other information do you need? His tag number, his vehicle number?
No, listen, are you trying to make a complaint against...
If I wanted to make a complaint, I'd ask for a complaint form. Do you think all citizens are stupid?
Okay, listen, I'm not going to fall for whatever it is you're trying to do.
I'm trying to put in a public records request. Are you trying to help me, or are you just going to give me the runaround? Sure. I don't see you taking any information down. Please do. That's your job, sir.
No, the way that it works is you tell us what report you want, either by report number or an address. It doesn't go by the officer's name.
I don't know the address.
Okay.
So let's say...
I thought you said it was your land.
It is.
Okay.
But he wasn't called to my land.
Okay. So do you want to give me the address and I'll try to look it up? Because that's the.
I'll give you the address that I don't know the address of where he was called, so how is that gonna help? He said that he was out looking for someone's cows
Okay.
on my land.
Okay, so what's your address?
I'm not gonna give you my address. What's wrong with you? I just told you that.
Okay, well, I also just told you that I
Okay,
can't look it
so
up.
I would like to look up this vehicle number. I want all information, including make, model, VIN number. I have the tag number. I'll give you that. Tag number is ZPP23.
Okay, I don't know how to look.
You don't have to do that. What you have to do is you have to put that information down and you have to turn that into your records request.
Right, okay, so
people.
you write down whatever it is you want, and I will submit that for you.
Are you refusing to help me? Because I don't have to write it down. Like I told you, I have problems seeing. I have vision issues.
Okay,
Can I get your supervisor?
okay. We don't have a supervisor here on site, but I'll gladly.
Are
give
you
their
with
phone number.
the Pasco County Sheriff's Department?
Yes, I am.
How are you associated with the Pasco County Sheriff's Department?
I'm employed with them as what we call a desk officer.
Okay. And desk officers, they don't report to anyone?
Yes, we do. I just said we don't have a supervisor on site, but I'll gladly.
Can you
give
call
their
one?
phone number.
Okay. Officer Travis, Gonddek. Badge number 1814. What I would like to know about him is on 9/7/2021, I'd like to know all calls that he was sent to
Okay.
between the hours of 9 and 12 p.m. When I did call dispatch to get the report number, they said that he wasn't a cop that worked for y'all. Okay? So I'm going to give you the vehicle number also. His vehicle number is 4366. His tag number is ZPP23. I'd like all information on that vehicle. VIN number, make, model, year, purchase price, and who it was issued to on 9/7/2021.
There you go. Okay, so let me ask you this, since you're refusing to give us your information, how is it that our records office in Land O'Lakes?
I'm going to give you my email address. I want them to send it to my email address or notify me when it's ready for me to be able to pick it up.
Okay, so which one would you rather do? Do you want to pick it up or do you want it emailed?
If they can email it, that's fine. If I need to go pick it up, they can email me when it's ready and I'll go pick it up.
Yeah, well, I asked if he wanted to make a complaint, and he said he's aware of the policy, the procedure to do that, so.
Give me just a second. Could I possibly have a phone number that I could have a supervisor call you?
You can give them my email address.
Absolutely, until you call.
Let me grab you that card.
He could probably get a hold of you quicker by calling you.
Well, if he wants to email me his phone number, then I'll call him from a public phone.
Okay. You got issues with sharing a phone number?
I'm not required to. Do you have an issue with me not giving it to you? Do you have an issue with not knowing who I am?
It's just odd.
Do you know his name?
Yeah, I'm trying to think who's over that unit right now, so give me a minute.
I didn't hear the first part you said.
So I'm trying to think of who's over that unit right now, so
Okay.
give me a minute. It's Sergeant Paul Downey. It's D.O.
His supervisor?
His supervisor.
Okay, just a second. You said D?
It's D-O-W-N-E-Y.
D-O-W-E-Y?
N-E-Y.
N-E-Y, okay.
Okay, he's the supervisor over the unit that Deputy Gonddek is on. So
Okay.
I'll reach out to him. I'll give him your email address, and hopefully he'll get back to you to get this resolved.
Okay.
So I don't know what's going on. I just came in on the back end of it, so.
You know, posted signs and no trespassing signs, they apply to y'all also. They aren't only for citizens.
Understood.
You know,
Unless there's exigent circumstances, you're correct. Do we have everything we need from Mr. Holman?
I also need two, or the dispatch call that I made to Chelsea yesterday. Her, what do you call it? Not dispatch number. Her number is, employee number is 11535.
Who's she?
Her operator number, I'm sorry. And that phone call was made approximately 10:50 a.m. on 9/7/21. Do you need the number that I called? It's the non-emergency number.
Yeah, the 847-8102 number?
Yes.
Yeah, that's our main communications.
Okay.
Right.
And
what was the?
I'd like that dispatch call that I made to the dispatch office.
Okay, what was the nature of that call?
The address that I gave her was Central and Hawthorne in Crystal Springs, Florida. It's actually a Zephyr Hills address. The address or the zip code is 33540.
How are you, sir?
All right, how are you?
Fantastic.
Are you the supervising officer? No. Okay.
Yeah, this is his area. I haven't contacted Sergeant Downey yet, so he'll be getting with you in a little bit.
Okay. What was your name and badge number or employee number?
Lieutenant Struby.
Struby?
Struby, 2344.
Could you spell that? Because I know how like y'all don't like to give out information if something's spelled wrong.
Right there.
STRUBE?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just give me that location again.
Central and Hawthorne, HAWTHORN. And it's Zephyr Hills, 33540. That's the intersection that I gave the operator. I think she said her name was Chelsea.
Okay. And there's my card as promised.
Appreciate it. Okay, I'd like an officer complaint form.
So you want to complain on an officer?
Yes,
Okay.
2 of them, please.
Yep, let me get that for you.
Okay, thank you.
Here's some forms for you. You'll either need to give these to Sergeant Downey in person so he can talk to you about the complaint if you're complaining on one of his individuals.
Yeah, I don't need instructions for him, thank you.
Okay.
That's it, have a nice day.
I'll let you know. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
This situation exposes how the right to access public records can be obstructed through procedural barriers and vague interpretations of authority. The citizen held his ground, refused to provide non-required personal information, and stayed strictly within what the law allows. In contrast, some officials applied pressure, avoided accountability, and blurred the line of transparency. The core issue here is not the request itself, but the conduct and practices of law enforcement. We produce these videos to share information and encourage people to handle situations calmly and lawfully.
That's how you talk to people?
What? Yeah, I don't care how I talk to you.
Really?
What are you
No,
doing?
I don't.
You care if that paycheck?
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on the screen. Click to watch now.
All right. Just be a second.
Last but certainly not least, we want to give our heartfelt thanks to the behind the scenes team, who dedicated months to these videos to make them possible.